Oh, speed limit 70 going down this hill. All right, leaving Salmon, Idaho, headed to Lolo, Montana. Got about 170 miles. Gonna be some paved, some dirt, looks like. Charlie gonna beat us there. Got her in the wind, don't he? Check that out. Wow. I guess that's the Snake River there. I believe it is. It doesn't say. No, it's still the salmon.
Gotta get used to salmon.
Salmon. Can't do it. It's salmon. It'll completely give away where we're from. I love this kind of landscape, man. That river's still flowing north. Now we're going. Are we going? Yeah. Got the Dutton Ranch marked on the map. Little turkeys! They was in the road, wasn't they? Little furries with them too. Yeah, Lewis and Clark discovered a lot of this route here, from what I read.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lewis Clark Trail.
Yep. Awesome, man. It's crazy though how cool it is in August, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Them willow trees. North Fork Community Church. Okay. Summer 93.
Yeah, go up there and come back to 93. Do that?
Yeah, it's totally up. You make the call. I'm good with whatever. 089.
Somebody running that tree or something.
Yes, sir. Maybe they snag it with a trailer wheel when they turn in. God, they're marked up all the way down through here. That jacket and that pack makes you like the real deal Holyfield, Cody.
Like a real picture, right?
Yeah.
And then you see a T-Dub.
Hey,
On the same thing.
we can have an adventure on a T-Dub. That guy must have lost his BMW and got him a Yamaha.
Got more money in his gear than
he got tired of working on that darn BMW. I'm a fan of all of them, but Japanese is hard to beat, man.
Oh, yeah.
No.
They are. Dude, I gotta see something. I'm just chomping at the bit.
See that pond, that little raised up area over there looks like a good spot for one.
That's nice.
Property boundary, National Forest.
Yeah. I got hesitant there for a minute, but I just gave it all she had. She needs exhaust right there. And a little bit of I did.
Yeah, it's poured. It's poured, hadn't it? Yeah.
About like what we was on yesterday, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, I know. It's all like shaking around, up and down. Them ruts is rough on these T-dubs, ain't they?
Yeah.
Suck you in there, won't it? Well, it's punishing us from climbing that to go back down.
I knew it was gonna be
up and down.
Not great. My ankle still ain't working too great.
Yeah, my foot hurts sometimes on some of this. Ugh. Getting better, but it ain't the best. Trying to use a little more engine braking than rear brake, because it ain't the best. Let's hope there ain't no big river down here. Definitely getting creaky looking, ain't it? Yeah, that's what I'm on.
Definitely a river crossing. Terrible though. Nope.
Whoop-de-whoop. Dead end? Oh. Part of the United States. Oh, a tree fell on it. You see it? Little ranger cabin, I guess, or something, huh?
Must be easier to get into from this side.
Yeah.
Block it anyway.
Right on top of a mine right here. Somewhere. Old brake hand gets wore down sometimes, don't it?
Holy cow, look to the right.
Whoa.
Road down there.
That's where we're headed, ain't it?
Yep, there's a gate. Turn right, you can get there real quick.
Just have to, oh, you better be holding on.
Actually, it's got us
Going straight?
on up.
Okay.
Based on what I'm seeing.
What a place, buddy. What a place.
Good about it coming out.
Yeah, I do too. Guy is pretty up on the color of the roads, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Well, we're up around the tallest part we have at our house,
Yep.
which is low here. Look at this little meadow. Oh, found some sand.
Oh, speed limit 70 going down this hill. Do not enter. At least we didn't get far. Since we got time, let's run out there. Let's go up 93 and go out there to Como Lake and look around. You feel good? Uh-huh. Oh, here's a good. Como? No, there ain't no way to it other than it's kind of like this.